Hi guys, I am at the Goodwill Bins. They are going to be closing soon. As you can see, the sun is starting to set, but I have not been here all week. So let's go thrifting before they close and see what we can find. Look at these little birthday bears. How adorable. I don't know where these are from. I don't see anything on the bottom of them, but somehow they're not broken. So cute. Look at this whale. He's made of cement. I kind of wish he wasn't painted. How pretty would that be if he was just raw cement? He's so cute. I can't pass up a whale. As y'all know, my son's name is Waylon, and so I just love to collect whales and put it in his room, in his bathroom. Here's a little nativity scene. So these bins are just filled with all kinds of different stuff, and then these bins over here are usually closed, but lately I find it a mix and everything. These are pretty here. Oh, look at this. How pretty this little glass piece is. I think there's a Christmas tree right here. There is, but it's not that cute. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Oh, look at these candlesticks. Ooh, they're heavy too. They're made of metal. I think they're supposed to look like rust, but it's definitely faux rust. I like them. I like that there's 3 of them. I like the size of them. I see some glass. Look at this piece, how nice. Made in India. Definitely gonna get that. I like this too. This little glass piece with a wood top. That's really cute. Plant. What is this? That is very interesting. Has the Italy stamp on it, but it's not my style. I'm gonna leave that here. Oh, look at these little shoes. Look like they've never been worn, but that would not fit Ren's big old feet. Alright, I dug through the walls. Now I'm gonna start digging through the bins. This one has a bunch of artwork right here. A big square lampshade. Let's see what's over here. Socks, hair curlers. I'm not seeing too much in the bins today. Lots of clothing, which is totally normal. I see they have some furniture here, but I don't see anything special. Oh look, that chair is still here. This has been here for a few weeks, which is very surprising. Oh, that piece is cute back there. I think this is a leather elephant. Don't these sell for a bunch of money? It is missing its tusk though. I wish it was natural leather and not this dark color. I see some lace in here. Let's see what this is. I think these are like little Christmas ornaments. Like the little fans. There's a ton of them too. Maybe I can get them and sell them all together. Oh, look at these. How cute. And a bunch of butterflies. Okay, I'm definitely going to go through this bin and get all the doily stuff. Look, this one looks like a snowflake. I like that. Alright, I found something that looks old, but no clue what this is. Oh, it's a card shuffler. That's cool. I wonder if it works. How does it work? No clue. Here's a cute little box. Look at this tree. Love this. Oh yes, this is definitely going in my cart. Should I get this? It's very heavy. I just don't understand how it works. Here's some more of those candles that I saw earlier. These are really pretty. I think somebody decoupaged these on here like a long time ago, but I love the vintage look of them. I'm not going to get them, but I do think they are very pretty. Look at this piece all by itself in this bin. This is a concrete planter. This is definitely a great find. Add that to my cart of goodies. This picture frame looks interesting. Oh, I thought it was metal, but it's actually plastic. Thought it had a cool look to it, but it's plastic. I'll leave it here. What is this? Y'all, this is enamel. Green enamel. A little tiny teapot. That's adorable. What else is in here? Oh, that's cute. A little wooden arm. I'll leave that there. Hopefully somebody else will pick it up. What's this? It says welcome with pineapple on it. What in the world is this thing? I think that is like a martini glass. I don't know. Alright, let's check these last few bins here. See if I can find any treasures at all. Not see anything. It looks like all toys. Over here, that's plastic. Y'all are not gonna believe what I just found. Look at these vintage prints, and I even love just the simple wood frames. I would leave them as is and just put them up on the gallery wall all together. I'm definitely gonna grab all of these and sell them as a set. Somebody needs to keep them all together and put them on their wall. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I must have missed these earlier in the bin. I love this trail artwork. These pieces are so beautiful. I think the mats are too big because it's cutting off some of the picture. So I'll definitely take the mats out, but there's 2 of them. That's amazing. Gone in my cart for sure. Alright, the store is about to close, so I gotta head out, but I have to say I am very happy with what I found at the end of the day. They didn't even bring out any new bins while I was here. Look at all these little lace ornaments that I ended up finding. And like I said, I hadn't been here all week, so Ren has not had her treasures that she is accustomed to getting every day. So I got her just a whole box of all the little things that she loves. She just loves playing with these little figurines. So I got her all that. And then these I'm gonna bring to her school to put in their treasure box. They have a treasure box when the kids are good or they go to a potty or something like that. They get to, you know, pick out the treasure box. So I try to donate stuff to over there as well. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent today. I hope y'all enjoyed shopping with me. Y'all leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite thing that I bought today. I feel like it's definitely between these prints, which are amazing, and this little enamel pot, because this is just not the kind of stuff that I normally find. So once again, I hope y'all enjoyed this trip. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video.